Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us for another CodeSign Secure signing video. Today, I'll be showing you our RPM signing capabilities. Now, if you've seen our GPG signing before, you'll see that some of these commands are very similar. A lot of what we do with this is very similar to the GPG, but the actual structure of the signing command itself is where it differs. So if we go ahead and run this command here, we can actually see our GPG agent up and running. So we know that it's working as expected so that we can do the RPM signing. Then we can take a look at our imported keys. So right now we have just this one key imported, this certain role test, and we also have the hash of that key. So whether you're doing GPG signing, RPM signing, or any other type of signing that requires the hash of this key, you can get that from this command. And then I can also show you, so with the command itself for signing, so this is the actual signing command. You don't actually specify the key here. In this file, this RPM macros file, this is where we're actually specifying the key that we're going to use for the signing. So you can see here at the top, we have certain role test. And if we go ahead and run our signing command, so again, you have your verbose flag so we can see all the details as it signs. We see the add sign or add signature. This will be actually signing the file, and then we specify the path to the file. So if I go ahead and run this, and this warning that you see here is just a minor warning, some permissions on this specific directory are considered unsafe. It's nothing to do with the actual signing. It's just with the permissions on our demo machine here. So in a second, we should see that it comes out with having signed it. And then if I just provide our verify command, which in this case, instead of saying dash dash verify, it's dash dash check sig, and then the path to the file. We can see very quickly that everything has passed. All the signatures and the digests have passed properly. Nothing's been tampered with. The RPM file is as we'd expect it to be. So as you can see, it's a very quick, easy process to go about signing your RPM files and any other type of file that you may see in our signing videos. So thank you all for joining today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next code signing video.